What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm doing another 10-minute sketch to ink, to color pencil of another one of my favorite characters, the Thing. But before we get started, remember, guys, smack that like button, leave a comment, click and subscribe. Any feedback will be appreciated. All right. Got my iPad here, set to 10 minutes. About to leave it right here in camera view. And we are just gonna get to it. Let's go. All right, lost about 2 seconds there, but you know, that's all right. And this one, we are going to try, well, I'm going to get to colored pencil, so I'm not playing around. We have to just make sure I'm confident with the initial sketch. And I'm just gonna trust in my marker game. I have the initial sketch. I'm not gonna add too much detail with the pencil. Of course, you know the Thing is made up of rocks, so I'm gonna add majority of this detail in after, but I just want to really make sure I have the pieces where they need to be. I'm trusting in my ability that whatever mistake I make, it really won't be called a mistake. I'm just gonna call it, shout out to my boy Bob Ross, a happy accident. Okay, now we're just gonna go for it. Every piece ends up here. All right, now there's certain areas where you just can't turn back, and right here is one of them. Certain other areas I can wing it, but his facial structure, you don't want to really wing it because it has to at least resemble the guy. If not, now you're playing around. Now it's gonna, you don't want it to look like his cousin. right, we're getting it, we're getting there. A lot of broken up rocks in here. Wow, we're at 4 minutes already. Wow, all right. Double time, double time. All right. See, around here, now we're gonna just have to wing it. And as long as I feel there's an initial structure to it, it should be all right. Because it is rocks. And rocks come in many different shapes and sizes. Some small, some big. Let's get right here. All right, 2 minutes left. We are going to get to some shadowing. Some brown tones, right where the rocks meet, on the edges. right, guys, you know I lost a couple minutes at the beginning. A couple of seconds, I mean. We're going to take these seconds back. We're going to take some of those seconds back. All right. All right, guys, and there you have it. My 10-minute thing. Hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, y'all be good and be safe. Peace.